For this morning's breakfast, we're having 2 of the leftover muffins. They're kind of small, so I'm going to also fix a piece of toast, half a banana, and the rest of the strawberries. And that's going to be our breakfast today. Okay, we also put a little bit of peanut butter on our toast, our muffins, a little butter. Oh, I might want some honey. Let's eat. Alright, this recipe calls for a half of a medium onion, and y'all seen this before, right? Ooh, that's a juicy onion. I don't think I've ever had an onion drip on me. Interesting. About a tablespoon of oil, 2 tablespoons of butter. This is one of meatless Monday meals, but I'm not having it on Monday. But back in the day, I used to do a meatless Mondays, and so this is just it's not rice, it's orzo, but no meat. Going in with the onion. We're going to cook this about 2 to 3 minutes. We're not going to cook it 2 or 3 minutes. We're going to add the tomatoes. Diced. Oh, I didn't see that. That has green chilies in it. Oh well. It's Italian, Mexican, orzo. I don't have any vegetable broth, but I have chicken broth, so that's what we're using. Just because a recipe calls for it doesn't mean you have to do it that way. Also, this recipe called for Dijon mustard. I don't have any, so I'm not going to go buy some just for this recipe. Just don't use it. So this recipe also called for heavy cream. I'm not buying heavy cream. Have you priced heavy cream lately? It's very expensive. But what do I have left over? Sour cream. So you could use half and half, which, normally I do that, but I bought this for, what recipe did I use this in? I've cooked so many. Anyway, in this series, I have this left over, and so I'm going to use this instead of heavy cream. So in goes the sour cream. Make it creamy. I think I'm going to use all of it. I just have a little bit left, so I'm going to use all of it. Okay, no more sour cream. It's all in the pot. Looks good. Gouda. I'm going to taste it, see if the orzo's done before I put in the spinach. It still needs a little time, so I'm going to put the lid on it and watch it. I still have it on very low, but because you don't want it to stick. But I could eat it right now, but I'd like it to get a little bit more tender. Alright, that's looking really good. I'm going to add in the spinach. Said packed. Packed. Goodness. I think I packed it. In with the cheese. That looks really good. Good. Some parsley. I think I'll save that and just garnish the bowl with it. But doesn't it look pretty? Sammy, are you gonna try the meal tonight?
She said, well, I don't want her to. I'm gonna hold her hand. I wanna hold
your hand.
I wanna hold your hand.
She says, I wanna eat your dinner.
Come on, take it over here. Oh, good girl. Thank you. Oh, it smells good.
Tuscan Orzo.
Tuscan Orzo. Mmm.
It's got Parmesan cheese in it. That's what's kind of stringy.
I love it. Mmm.
Is it good? Gouda?
Very good. Wouldn't change a thing. It's perfect texture.
Mm. And I didn't have like 3 of the things that go in it. I had substituted and didn't put something in.
Really?
And, yeah.
It's got a little bit of a spice to it.
Well, because I used diced tomatoes with green chilies instead. So you got a little Italian Mexican going on there.
Hey, but it works.
I know. It has got a little spice.
It doesn't taste Mexican. It tastes Italian with a little bit of spice.
Yeah.
Nice.
All right. So I'm going to have a little spinach salad. I'm going to make a mess. Whoop. I have balsamic vinegar and olive oil on my salad. Sure does look good.
It tastes good.
Okay. I tasted it already, so I needed to taste it for spice. That is good. It's funny. It is spicy. Mmm. I love balsamic vinegar and olive oil. I'll cook this again. I don't know that I've ever cooked orzo before. I know I haven't. So that's a new recipe, or even a new ingredient. Very good. I'll do it again. Okay, there's leftovers tomorrow. That's a lot of leftovers too. Get a lot of meals out of this weekly meal plan.
Did you hear that, Sammy? We get leftovers. Yay!